Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. I'm back with the most awaited weekly video, which I was also getting some messages that I haven't posted the YouTube video of weekly breakouts. So here is this video for you. You're watching it right now in front of you. And before starting with the analysis, let me just again give a disclaimer, which I always give, that this video, the basic purpose of making this video is not giving you any kind of tips or any kind of advices. The basic purpose is that so that you can identify that how I identify those trades. In addition to that, before this video, one or two videos back, I also shared a scanner by which you can analyze all the stocks available in the stock market just with a single click. So if you haven't watched that video, kindly go and watch that video. With the help of that scanner, you can analyze every stock available in the stock market and find all these breakout trades by yourself. Those are just that is just a method of finding the breakout trades, but you also need to learn that when to apply that scanner and when not to apply that scanner. So I'll be explaining the reasons, the stop loss and the probable targets for you for your better understanding and learning. I request all of you who are watching this video to kindly don't 100% rely on this video and the analysis. Take a trade in your account only when you are convinced with the analysis and you also think that a breakout has happened or is a probable breakout might happen. So this is just my trading secrets or my trading style which I use, that you can also use for your benefit and if you think it can be helpful to you. So let us start. I'll be sharing with you 15 swing trading ideas along with detailed reasons so that you can apply those reasons on the other charts as well and make some profit in this market. Making profit in this market is not difficult. All you need to know is what is discipline, what is risk to reward ratio, and what is patience, the most important. So let us start. I have made this Excel sheet for you so that you can understand that approximately we will be covering 15 swing trading ideas with you today, out of which in 10 swing trading ideas breakout has already been given. In 4 swing trading ideas a probable breakout might happen on our anticipation. Trade is to be taken only after happening of the breakout, and one channel trade which is in relaxer. So now let us start. The first stock for today is Alkyl Amines. This is the stock of Alkyl Amines. Whenever, this is a pro tip for you, kindly listen to it carefully, and if you haven't liked this video, like it and subscribe the channel so that you get these kind of weekly updates every weekend. This time a bit late, but I usually share them on Saturday, Sundays, but I am a bit late this time, but nevertheless we are not that late. These stocks are all applicable right now also. So this is a pro tip. Whenever you trade a stock, whenever you want to trade a stock, the first thing which you should see that the stock should be in a long term uptrend. लंबे टाइम में वो स्टॉक अप ट्रेंड में होना चाहिए, जैसे कि आपके सामने मैं आपको दिखाता हूं. Just give me a minute. Let me open up the pencil first. Yeah, this is the pencil. Yeah, so this is the stock which we are talking about. This is the first stock for today. We can see that the first parameter, that the overall they should be in an uptrend. So we can see that the stock is in overall uptrend. This is the first parameter you should always see before taking any trade in any stock. Okay, so parameter 1 has been passed, that it is in overall uptrend. Okay, now let's dig deep into the trade and see what's there in this chart. As you can see over here, let me remove this drawing. As you can see over here, that this chart after a big run, big upside movement, was in consolidation phase. Let us break down this chart further. Over here we can see that whenever it hit this area, which I have already highlighted by this red area, it came down and took a support over this area. Again it went to the same area and it came down and took a support of the same area. But this time over here we can see on the third last candle the volume increased the previous 10 days moving average volume. So on this candle itself it was presumed that a breakout might happen. On the next candle the breakout already happened and the volume also increased. The volume has been gradually increasing, and today during the effective breakout day the volume has gradually increased with a almost double the yesterday's volume. So this is a good breakout, but let us discuss the possibilities over here, that what might happen over here. As we can see that the breakout has already happened, but the traders who might have taken the trade over here or might have taken the trade over this candle might go for profit booking, which may be the case that this stocks come down or take a support over here and start moving up again. So there can be two kind of trades which can be taken in this case. We can wait for the stock to come down and take a support over here and start moving up. Trade can be taken somewhat over here, or the trade can be taken also over here, because this is also a fundamentally very good company. So taking a trade over here will be also like not getting into any kind of FOMO, and you will be sitting with a position in the stock so that you don't lose it. So it all depends upon you, that whether you want to take the trade on CMP or let it come below, take a support over here which was earlier working as a resistance. The stock might take a support over here and start moving upwards. So this is the strategy by which a trade can be taken in this stock. For the stop loss, you can choose a very safe area. Now how to find the safe area? We can see over here that stock has been taking support over here. Again over here it has been taking support, and on the same area it has also been taking resistance. So there is every possibility that if the stock comes down over here, it will not break this area. There is just a possibility. Nothing is sure shot in share market. There is a possibility that this area won't be broken. So keeping a stop loss somewhere over here will be a safer stop loss for you, and target of 1:2 can be kept for trading purposes. I personally trade with 1:2 stop loss and target only. So this is stock number 1 for you, that is Alkyl Amines. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Hi-Tech Gear. This belongs to the auto sector. Let me search it for you. So this is the next stock for today. The analysis remain the same. Nothing changes in trading. Discipline and patience are the two things which you need to follow, and most important, risk to reward. So the first parameter, that the stock should be in an uptrend, has been passed. As you can see over here, the stock over here has been in a downtrend. After that, it has started a new uptrend, and with this new uptrend, fresh volume is also coming. Then who are these people who are buying the stock in this big volume? You can see over here the volume was entirely dried up, but over here, somewhere over here, the volume is picking up. Then who are these people who are buying this stock? So if you buy this stock and if you keep patience, then this is a fundamentally very strong company. We can keep a target of 600 over here, and currently the CMP is 338. So the stock has the capability of almost doubling from here. Around 90 to 95% return can be seen in the stock if you have patience with you. You need to keep this stock for a long time and you will be getting 100% return, provided the fundamentals of the company don't deteriorate. Now let us dig further into the chart and see what it has. I've already explained the rounding bottom to you. This rounding bottom which is forming over here. Rounding bottom is a very strong technical indicator, or you can say technical parameter, which justifies a reversal has already happened. Now let us dig further into this chart. As you can see, the stock was in uptrend. After that, it formed a kind of flag pattern, which I've already highlighted. This is the pole and this is the flag. Over here, a breakout took place, and today a gap up opening was seen over here. With this breakout, there was also increase in volume, and volume spurts can be seen in the previous candles as well. Now, who are these people who are buying this stock in such great volumes? Normal retailers cannot generate this kind of volume. Only big players have the capability to generate this kind of volume. So entry can be taken at CMP. Now where should be the stop loss? Stop loss should be below the previous swing low. The reason being the same, that this area, this trend line has been working as a support. So there are very less chances that the stock will break down below this trend line and hit your stop loss. So keeping a stop loss at a very safe place is the first thing every trader need to see. Target should be the secondary thing. Stop loss should be the primary thing which every trader needs to see. So this is Hi-Tech Gear for you. Now let us move to the next stock. Wait a second. Yeah. The next stock is Gujarat Alkali. This I have already shared in my previous videos as well, but I am sharing the fresh analysis for you as per the fresh chart. So this is Gujarat Alkali for you. Before you start looking at the trading opportunity, you are seeing that over here a kind of resistance is being created. But this is a small picture. Sorry for the untidy chart, but I keep on studying those charts. So this is just because of that reason only. So this is a small picture which you are seeing. You need to see the big picture. आपको बड़ी पिक्चर देखनी होगी. अब बड़ी पिक्चर हमें क्या कहती है, हम उसके लिए जूम आउट करेंगे इसको. आफ्टर जूम आउट हमें एक चीज क्लियर हो रही है यहाँ पे, that the stock was falling from a very long time. After that, it created a rounding bottom. I already told that a rounding bottom is a very good indicator, and if rounding bottom is backed by volume, then it can do wonders. So the stock has sufficiently fallen, started giving a reversal with some good volume. So in this case also, if you are having patience, then the target shall be its ultimate high, that is 900. This is the minimum target which this stock will get, and over here also you will be getting plus 90% return in this stock. Only you require is patience. So this stock can also be bought on CMP if you are willing to hold it for a long time. But if you are willing to trade in this stock, then the analysis will be a bit different. Let me explain it to you. As you can see over here, let me zoom it out a bit and let me clear this drawings first. Wait a second. Give me a minute, please. Yeah, now it's a bit clear. Now let me explain it to you. You can see over here, the stock was facing a resistance. Then again over here at the same area, the stock was facing resistance. Now at the same area, as per technical analysis, stock is facing resistance. So for trading purposes, you need to wait for this green line to get broken, and a closing should be done above this area. That will be the entry parameter for you. Now let me explain you one more important thing in this case. As you can see, near the resistance, the volume is also gradually increasing. Means buying is happening near the resistance. In this candle, the volume has gradually increased, which is almost doubled than the previous day's volume. So there are very high chances that we might see a breakout tomorrow, even tomorrow, that is the next working day, Tuesday, 27th July, we might see a breakout over here tomorrow itself. So this will be the entry parameter for you. If the stock closes above this green line, stop loss will be the same, that is the previous swing low, because stock has sufficiently fallen, created a higher low, then there are very less chances that the stock will come down and hit your stop loss. As we know that the stock always moves in higher high and higher low pattern. So if the previous low is broken, which is this in this case, then the uptrend is said to be over and a new downtrend is said to have started. So this will be the exit parameter for you. An entry can be taken on a closing above this green line. So this is Gujarat Alkali for you. Now let us move to the next stock and let us see what is the next stock. The next stock is Sanofi. This is a fundamentally very good company. Let me share the analysis with you. Now this, what you are seeing in front of you, is also a very small picture. For picking any stock, for trading itself or for investment also for that purpose, you need to see the bigger picture first. So this is the bigger picture of the stock. The stock has been always in an uptrend. Parameter 1 has been completed. The second parameter is the stock has been gradually in a short-term downtrend. After the short-term downtrend, this was the channel which it was observing. And we can see a kind of a breakout in this green candle. And we can also see the increase in volume over here. So a trade can be taken over at the CMP, or the best practice can be that the trade should be taken above this area. Now why I am seeing this area? Because we can see so many wick rejections from this area, that is selling pressure is coming in this area. So if the stock closes above this area like this, then the entry can be taken. Stop loss to be kept over here. The reason being same, this is the higher low, and if this low is broken, the uptrend, which is this short uptrend, will be said to be over and we need to move out of this chart. Okay, so this is for trading purposes. For investment purposes, you can take it on CMP and forget for a while. Investment will give you a good return over here. So this is Sanofi for you. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Granules. Let me share the chart of Granules with you. This is Granules for you, and again this is a very small picture. You need to see a bigger picture and see what is shown in the charts. Let me zoom it out for you. This chart is somewhat similar to the Sanofi chart which I already shared with you. it is in an overall uptrend, then a short channel of a downtrend over here, then a breakout has already happened. Now let us break it down further and see what it shows. Wait a second. Wait, give me a minute. Yeah. Now you can see it over here that this black line has been working as a resistance many times before. 5 times this black line has been working as a resistance and support. Now over here we have seen a breakout of this area, and you can see that the huge volume has came at this area. Very huge volume near the breakout is a signal that the breakout will sustain, might sustain. So this is a fundamentally very good company. A breakout has already happened. Trade can be taken at CMP, but a stop loss need to be kept over here, which was the previous swing low. Keeping a stop loss below the previous swing low is the safest area, because if the swing low breaks down, then the overall uptrend which is being shown on the charts, it's set to be get over, and we need to move out of the trade. So this is granules for you. Let us move to the next chart, that is L&T. This is the chart of L&T for you. So this is the big picture which we are already seeing. अगर हम इसको zoom out कर देते हैं, zoom in कर देते हैं, so you will be seeing only this much of chart which is not of any kind of help. For trading in any kind of stock, you need to see a bigger picture. Now let us see the big picture. You can see a big triangle pattern has been forming since the last 1 year, and recently we got a breakout over here, and with the breakout there has been increase in the volume also over here. This area, yellow area, which has been highlighted by these arrows, was working as the supply zone, or we can see resistance. So this area has been broken. A small consolidation is happening after the breakout. Let me tell you a very important thing, that if a stock breakouts and spend some time above the resistance, which will currently being working as a support, then this is a good sign that the stock is not willing to go down and will gradually move up only. So this will be the trade. You can take a trade at the CMP if you are an investor, and if you want to trade in this stock, then the scenario will be a bit different. Let me explain it to you. As you can see over here, that the stock has given a breakout. After a breakout, it has come back for the retest of this area. The area which was already working as a resistance should work as a support as per technical analysis. If we see a green candle over here, somewhat a green candle like this over here, then that will be the entry parameter for us. Stop loss will be kept at this red line, that is the previous swing low. This will be the safer stop loss, because stock has not been able to break below this area. So this is the entry, the criteria how you need to enter in L&T for trading purposes. Now let us move to the next stock, that is Edelweiss for you. Edelweiss, let me show the chart. Yeah, this is the chart of Edelweiss. Now this is also a smaller picture which you are seeing on the screen. A breakout has already happened, but how do we know that this is a breakout? On this chart, no breakout is seen. We can only see volume, and one line has been broken. But what is the significance of this line? Let us understand that. For that, we need to see a smaller picture. Now the picture might be much more clearer to you. As you can see, the stock was in overall downtrend. After that, it has created a higher high and higher low position. Over here at this black line was working as a resistance and as a support and as a support and as a support. So this area, black line, is an important area which is working as a resistance and a support. Recently we see a breakout over here in this yellow box, and with increase of huge volume. You can see this volume has never came in the stock. It is a very huge volume by which it is giving a breakout. So there are very high chances that the stock has sufficiently fallen, and by giving a rounding bottom, it has also started going up. Target will remain the same for the investors, that is the all-time high. But over here, a small disclaimer that I haven't read the fundamentals of this company, so you need to take the trade only after your analysis. Now let us break down this chart further and see what the chart tells us. Over here we can see a breakout by this big green candle, big Marubozu candle, with increase of huge volume. After that, some profit booking is being seen. After this big run up, some profit booking is being seen. Now when the stock start moving upwards, or we can see two green candles, then an entry can be taken, keeping a stop loss over here, that is the previous swing low, and also below the previous resistance and also the support, that is the black line, black dotted line. Stop loss will be here, that will be a safer stop loss. Target of all-time high can be kept in this stock. So this is Edelweiss for you. Now let us move to the next stock, that is Endurance. This is the chart of Endurance for you. Now let us zoom it out to see how this stock shows us and what is the picture which you are able to see. When I zoom out this stock, this is a very interesting picture which we can see. Over here we can see that an all-time high was created somewhere over here. The period was August 2018, an all-time high was created. After that we saw a big fall in this stock, Endurance. It is a fundamentally very good company. After that corona fall, it has always been in uptrend. Now the stock has broken the all-time high and started consolidating after the breakout. So this is a good sign that the stock is not willing to go below, and there are very high chances that the stock will go above from this area only. Now if you want to trade in this stock, the strategy will be somewhat different. As you can see over here, the stock has again created some kind of range over here. Let me highlight the range for you. This is the range which the stock has already created over here. So a breakout of this range is needed for trading purposes. Like a candle can be seen over here, like a green candle can be seen over here, then only a trade should be taken. Stop loss can be kept over here. This is stop loss number 1, that is below the previous swing low, or over here, which will be a much safer stop loss, and you need to follow proper position sizing in this case. So a candle like this can be the entry parameter for you. As the volume is also increasing, we can see some good volume in this area, and previously also there was some very good volume in this stock. So there are some big players who have entered into this stock, and this is also a fundamentally very strong company. So you can keep it as a trading or an investment setup for you. Now let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Dr. Lal PathLabs. This is the stock of Dr. Lal PathLabs for you. The first parameter that the stock should be in an overall uptrend has been passed. The second parameter is that the stock should have given a breakout, but this stock has already been creating higher highs and higher lows. After that it has created a higher low and has started moving up. The good part is that with the increase in price, the volume is also increasing. So entry can be taken at CMP. Investors need not put any stop loss in this case. And for traders, stop loss will be this area, that is below the previous swing low or below this area, which will be a much safer stop loss, and you can trail the stop loss as the case may be in your case. If I will enter into the stock as a trading, I will take it on CMP, keeping a stop loss over here with a risk to reward of 1:2. So this is Dr. Lal PathLabs for you. Now let us move to the next stock, that is SBI Life. Let me see whether recording is happening. Yeah, recording is happening. So this is SBI Life for you. Now again, the first parameter is that the stock should be in an overall uptrend. This stock has been in an overall uptrend. Over here, there is a confluence happening. Confluence is when more than one criteria are telling you that the stock is given a good breakout or there is a good probability of a good run up. So you can see over here, this was the resistance area or the all-time high of this chart, which you can see over here. The same area was working as a resistance, but recently we have seen a breakout over here. So it is a breakout of a horizontal resistance and also a breakout of a trend line. Now let us dig deeper into the chart. You can see that this trend line has also been broken with a big volume candle, but we can also see that a big wick has been created. Wick has been created in this candle, which justifies some selling pressure. So there is a very good possibility that the stock might create a red candle over here, maybe tomorrow, and again started moving up. But the increase in volume suggests that the stock has started a new uptrend and entry can be taken at the CMP. Because there are two things which are justifying the trade. One is the breakout of the trend line and the breakout of the horizontal resistance. Stop loss can be kept over here. The reason being the same. It is the previous low, and if this is broken, then a short-term downtrend might start. So getting out of the trade at this area will be advisable. So this is SBI Life for you. Now let us move to the next stock, that is Everest Industries. Everest Industries, I have been shouting like that you have to need to buy this stock. This is a fundamentally very good company from a very long time. I'm again sharing the chart. Let us see what it tells us. This chart is also very interesting. Let me zoom it out for you first. As you can see, the chart was in overall uptrend. Price was falling from a very long time. After that, it created an uptrend. Let me it created an uptrend by highlighting by this two trend lines, and this was a long-term downtrend trend line. So there are two kind of breakouts over here. One, this long-term trend line has also been broken, and this triangle or a channel has also been broken over here. Now let us dig deeper into the chart and see what it has. As you can see over here, the channel, this trend line channel has been broken. One thing, this long-term trend line has been broken. This horizontal resistance has been broken. So there are three instances which are telling us that the stock has given a good breakout, and the fourth one is huge volume. Huge buying is happening in the stock. The target for this stock shall be its over all-time high, that is 600 rupees. The CMP is 474. So there's a big run up left in the stock, which the volume already suggests. So entry can be taken at CMP, or if we want to wait for the profit booking, which might happen after this run up, then we might wait for a profit booking, a small short term fall in this stock, and if a green candle is formed over here or somewhere over here, the entry can be taken, keeping a stop loss below this candle, because this was a green candle, big green candle, where we saw a big buying pressure. So if this is broken, then the stock might start a short-term downtrend like this. So this is Everest Industry for you, a fundamentally very good company with a very good chart and awesome volume. So this is Everest Industries for you. Now let us move to the next stock. Next stock is CEAT Limited. CEAT Limited is not a kind of a breakout, it's a kind of a learning for you. Let me explain you how. As you can see the chart in front of you, the first parameter that the stock should be in an overall uptrend has passed. But in trading, it is said that a trader should not buy a stock at resistance and should not sell a stock at support. So let us dig it further to understand what I meant. You can see it over here. The stock was in overall uptrend. This was the previous high. This was a small uptrend, but this was the major previous high, because it was also working as a support and a resistance. If you would have taken an entry somewhat over here, you would have stuck in this stock because you are buying on the resistance. So breakout of the previous resistance is very important with good volume. Then only an entry can be taken, keeping the target up to the next resistance somewhere over 1700. So if you would have taken entry over here falling into FOMO, then you would have stuck into the stock. Nevertheless, this will be the stop loss if you are already stuck into the stock by doing this mistake. If this area is broke, then there is a chance of further drawn down or a further drop in this stock. So this is a small learning for you in CEAT Limited. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Bharti Airtel, which is not so favorite for the traders, but let me explain you the chart first so that you can see a trading kind of setup over here. You can see it over here that the stock was in overall uptrend. If I zoom out further, so it was in an overall uptrend. Over here, it was creating a kind of a downtrend trend line, which can be seen over here. But recently, we saw a breakout. Now, just like CEAT, this is the major resistance of the stock. We need not buy a stock at resistance area. And we also can see some indecision candle or doji candle forming near the resistance. That is, the bulls and the bears are not able to decide what shall be the direction of the stock, so there is some indecision. But the increase in volume suggests that very soon we might see a green candle over here which will close above this resistance, which will be the entry parameter for you. Stop loss will be below this area or even below this black line, which will be a more safer stop loss, because this is a big support for the stock which has not been broken. So keeping a stop loss below this support is a healthy stop loss. So this is Bharti Airtel for you. Only if you like this stock. I personally like this stock and I'm holding in my portfolio. Let us move to the next stock. What is the next stock? Let us see. ACE, Action Construction Equipment Limited. This is one of my favorite stock and I'm heavily invested into this stock. This is the only stock wherein I have not followed my rule of investing and have invested out of my capacity in this stock. So let me share the chart with you. This is the chart of Action Construction Equipment Limited. A brief discussion about this chart. The stock was in overall uptrend, you can see. Then this stock was stuck in a resistance or a pattern or a channel. Over here resistance was seen and below over here some support was seen. Between the resistance or between the channel we can see a small uptrend by this trend line. Then the increase in this volume signified yesterday only, that is on Friday only, that the breakout might happen. I added some quantity over here because of this volume and today we can see a great volume. So the traders can enter into this stock on CMP keeping a stop loss below over here because this was a good support area. So this stop loss will be a safer stop loss. Entry can be taken over here or a small retracement can be seen and a green candle over here can also be the entry parameter for you. But please note that this is a fundamentally very good company. You can keep this stock in a portfolio for a long run. But before that, kindly study about this company so that you can also have the confidence of keeping this stock in our portfolio. Now let us move to the next stock, that is Relaxo. This shall be the last stock for today. This is Relaxo for you. In this, a breakout is not seen, but a kind of channel is being seen. And in the channel, we are on the support side. And when a stock is in support, which is holding good, we can buy the stock keeping a stop loss below the support. As you can see, this trend line has been working as a support. Several times it has been working as support over here. Over here also it has been working as a support. In this red candle, a small wick can be seen over here which justifies some buying. That is, the stock is not willing to break below this trend line and has started moving up. The volume is also gradually picking and it is also a fundamentally very good company. So traders can enter into this stock, but this resistance it need to be kept in mind because the stock might spend some time over here like this, somewhat like over here, and then give a final breakout. So for investment you can add it on CMP, and for trading you might wait for this area to break or might enter the CMP keeping a stop loss below this trend line because this trend line will be working as a strong support and has been working as a strong support. So keeping a stop loss below the trend line will be a healthy stop loss. So let us move to one more learning, last thing which I want to share with you. That is the chart of HDFC AMC. Let us see what it has for us. So this is the chart of HDFC AMC. Now I already told that we should not never buy any stock on resistance. Kindly note it somewhere that no stock is to be bought on resistance. Now what we saw over here, that this area was working as a resistance. So many candles, so many day candles were seen over here, but the stock was not able to break above this. And we finally saw a small retracement. Now again, though the volume increased manyfold, but the stock was not able to break above this area. The stock was not able to break or close above this area. And after that, the result is in front of you that we should never buy on resistance. If you even want to buy this stock now, you can buy this stock after creation of a green candle because this is a support area. You can see over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times this area has been worked as a support. So buying the stock over here will be healthy, but target shall be minimum up till this area only right now because this is again a big resistance. Others can also wait for a breakout above this area somewhat like this. Then only an entry can be taken if volume will also means support in you in that trading. So these are the 15 trades which I am looking for in the coming weeks and the coming month, and which I also want you to kindly analyze at your end so that you can also know that how to take a trade and also get confidence when you're trading into any kind of stock. Barely listening to me and taking a trade won't solve this purpose. The entire purpose of this video is make you learn that how to find and how to see the charts. So I hope you are liking these kind of series. If you are liking these kind of series, only thing I request you is kindly like the channel, support our channel, share with your friends so that I am getting motivated to share more videos for you, to make more beautiful videos for you, and with lot of educational content. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.